This small nature house design integrates seamlessly with its surroundings, boasting a distinctive brick architectural facade. The facade features hollowed-out, massive bricks that allow the prevailing winds to pass through, ensuring natural ventilation while maintaining privacy. Behind this facade lies a hidden leisure area, complete with a table featuring an integrated barbecue, hammocks, a shower, and a small swimming pool. Functionality and adaptability are key elements of this design. The leisure area doubles as a meeting and workspace, catering to the demands of the post-pandemic new normal with its open, airy layout. Additionally, it serves both the inhabitants of the neighboring interconnected house and the occupants of the office located at the rear of the lot. The office space is defined by a solid brick wall that snakes through the interior and exterior, providing privacy and delineating different zones. Its double-height design allows for ample natural light and spaciousness, further accentuated by openings to the gardens on both sides. These openings not only enhance luminosity, but also facilitate cross-ventilation throughout the office environment. Sustainability is seamlessly woven into the design through various low-tech features. The roof of the leisure area, adorned with vines, is equipped with an automated irrigation system that utilizes collected rainwater to cool the space. The absence of a gutter allows the water to cascade into side beds, creating a refreshing ambiance and contributing to the well-being of the users. In summary, this small nature house design with brick architectural elements harmonizes functionality, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal, offering a tranquil retreat that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings.